Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, yesterday's comments were off the roof. Wow, wow, wow. I thank you so much. You put the sunshine in my day. um, I, one of them made me cry. More than one. You guys have just made me feel so good. So today I wanted to talk about a new pencil combo that I discovered. You remember when yesterday I was talking about happy accidents and that as you become more of an artist, you take control of what you're doing and you don't have as many happy accidents? Well, they still happen. And I was working on this, changing my flower over to a cabbage, and I didn't come across, I accidentally uh, in looking at pictures on the internet and kind of eyeballing the color combination, I really like this. And I wanted to show you how to do this one and what my process was so that if you want to ever do this with maybe a leaf or something, you can get these colors right. I want to show you this one is a different color combination than this one. I really like these two because they have more of the blues in them. This one, I added a little bit of yellow. My three colors that I'm using is Prussian green, indigo blue, and powder blue. Some people like the numbers. That's PC 109, PC 901, and PC 1087. Okay, so let's get started. I really want the leaves around here to be a very rich green, as you know, really standing out as compared to the lighter blue and green that I have around the picture. So I started out using the Prussian green. And remember, I'm doing hatching, and I'm going to hatch down an area. Next week, or actually maybe tomorrow or something like that, I'm going to show you how to do large areas, because that question came up this week on how I color large areas and make it look, you know, uniform and smooth. So I always start out with hatching down the color, going in the direction that I want my color shift to be. So I wouldn't be doing a sweeping motion like this, because I want my color progression to go this way. This is going to make more sense in my next video, which I may rush and do because I have some people working on things that they need this information. So we're going to just keep hatching it out until I'm happy with a bottom layer. Okay, so now that I have the bottom layer, I'm going to add in my indigo blue. Hatch in the same direction. If you don't know what hatching is, go watch my video on pencil strokes, because that's important. I'm kind of doing a combo of hatching and what's the other one? It's early in the morning. Tapered stroke. So now I've got my two combo colors mixed together. Then I'm going to take the powdered blue, and this I'm going to do in circular motion. What the circular motion is going to do is basically blend it all in and smushy it together. And because I did the hatching to begin with, I'm going to get fine lines in there and a texture with the fading of the blue into the green. Now I'm using light touch to do this so that I don't destroy the green and the blue lines. And then I'm going to finish off the edge on the inside with the powdered blue. But we're not done there. I'm going to take my black pencil and I'm going to just very lightly, very, very, very lightly bring that down to define the line, the edge. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to blend it in. Give this a little lighter touch over here and over here. And there you have it. Kind of looks like the light is going into it. Up here, because this is second leaf, when I shadow, I'm going to do a lesson on shadowing. This is going to be shadowed to define the line. See, this one was the first one I did, so it didn't really take the effect. This one became my happy accident, where I really liked what happened to it, and now this one was controlled to exactly what I want in my mind. So that's the way I'm thinking. That's how I'm doing it, taking it from a mistake to a happy accident to something I just put into my arsenal of coloring tips and tricks. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
And you want to see more, hit that like and subscribe. And don't forget to ring that bell.